Using Apple gift card on Code Mobile is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can use Apple gift card on Code Mobile. Well, the process is very simple. In order to do that, first of all, we will redeem your Apple gift card into your Apple account. So for that, first of all, open your App Store and then in the App Store, tap on your profile. After tapping on your profile, you just have to tap on redeem gift card or code. After tapping on redeem gift card or code, you just have to select use camera to actually scan your gift card, or you can enter the code manually. Once your funds are added into your Apple Pay, what you have to do is you simply have to open up your Code Mobile app in your iOS device and then simply go to the store, select anything you want to buy, and then make a purchase. Whenever you are making a purchase, the first payment option is actually your Apple Pay. You just have to use your Apple Pay as a payment method. And the Apple Pay, the funds that you got in Apple Pay are from the Apple gift card that we redeemed before. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.